Misa. In any family, small or big, virtually every day is filled with a huge amount of activities and chores. Misa is a robotic companion that will help you not feel overwhelmed by all of the things you have to do and always be aware of what's going on. First of all, Misa is a toy capable of entertaining your child for many hours. Misa will chat with the kid while their parents are busy. It can also dance and play a lot of developing and interesting games with the child. Besides this, the robot has many other useful functions. For example, Misa will act as a smart speaker. It can turn on an alarm clock, set a timer, find information on the internet and tell it to you, book a hotel, or suggest a recipe. During the day, the robot can be sent to patrol the house. There are really many useful functions. The Misa moves around the house completely independently, seeing and bypassing any obstacles. Misa will cost you at least $400. DJI RoboMaster S1. The next toy on our list also helps its owner to learn new things. First, RoboMaster can be controlled with a special remote control, and even at its most basic, the toy shows its high-tech equipment. It has a built-in camera, it's able to move sideways and diagonally, it features great maneuverability, and the ability to overcome small obstacles. In addition, the RoboMaster S1 will easily become your learning partner. It'll help you understand more about physics, mathematics, programming, and even robotics. After all, it's called RoboMaster for a reason. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. Even though this RC toy won't teach you anything special, it'll keep a restless child and replace several other toys. The secret of the Terra-Sect Lizard is that it has two functional positions. In the upright position, it rides like a normal car. When bent, though, it starts to roll like a wheel and successfully overcomes obstacles and stairs. The price starts at $18. HHD H6, the ultimate RC toy. We're willing to bet that the next product will please passionate fans of RC toys. Why? Well, because it rids you of the agony of having to choose, as it combines two toys in one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that transforms into a drone in seconds with a couple of manipulations. The wheels of the vehicle are at the same time the propellers of the drone. The advantages of the toy, however, do not end there. The HHD H6 is equipped with a high-quality camera that takes photos and records video. The image is transmitted in real time via Wi-Fi to the owner's smartphone. The device is controlled with a special remote control or again with the smartphone. The battery has enough power for 8 minutes of flying or 15 minutes of riding on the ground. The range of control is about 40 or 50 meters. The price is about $57. AirHogs Stunt Shot. Let's finish our video with another amazing radio-controlled car. As you can see, the main feature of Stunt Shot from AirHogs is its huge, soft wheels. First of all, they allow the vehicle to overcome obstacles and get into the most unexpected places. And secondly, to do it without damaging the furniture or the people around it. Stunt Shot doesn't leave behind any scratches, even if it moves on delicate surfaces. The price of the toy is $25. Power treads, but let's go back to RC. Cars, most of them share a common drawback: their limited mobility. They can only drive on smooth surfaces and get stuck if they accidentally run out onto bare ground or grass. Power Treads is a toy that's an exception to this rule. Its unique shape gives the machine amazing cross-country mobility for its size. It moves over all types of surfaces and playfully overcomes obstacles. This means that you can create an obstacle courses for it. The cost is $30. Shelby Destroyer. In order for this intimidating toy weapon to work as intended, the engineers had to spend several months working on it. During that time, they tried 17 trigger mechanisms before finding one that could fire the discs most effectively. The developers claim that their creation features an impressive number of advantages compared to similar blasters. The power of the Shelby Destroyer can be adjusted, with a rate of fire of 6 rounds per second at a speed of 75 to 110 miles per hour. The blaster also shoots more accurately and has an impressive range. Thanks to its narrow shape, shells take up less space in the magazine, which means the user reloads less often. The blaster holds 120 discs at a time. Another important advantage is the realistic appearance and customizable lighting, which makes the blaster even more futuristic. The price of the toy starts at $217. Jump Fury is a radio-controlled toy car with wheels that seem bigger than the car itself, but this is intentional. Its main feature is the ability to push off almost any surface, both vertically and horizontally. The wheels are made of soft and durable material to avoid damage to the car or any surfaces. Despite its small size, Jump Fury is very maneuverable and able to spin around its axis. It also has a flight mode, where it jumps up to 22 inches instead of moving forward. You can create improvised obstacle courses for the car, where it has to jump over various objects in the house. The toy costs $40.